But as you know, Walesi is a company that provides the opportunity for Fijians to have access to television. It's for free. And the reason why we've got this in schools is that so you can also learn. Because through this Walesi platform, you can watch a number of channels. You can watch the news, you can watch the parliamentary channel, there's also an educational channel. And your teachers can use that actually to help you with your studies. You can also get information about what's happening outside, in the school area, outside in the world, outside what's happening in Fiji. So that's what we're here to do. We've done this in other schools too. We were just in a school in Numbu, where they also have a very small school. And then yesterday we were in a very small school also, in a very remote school. So we're doing this all over Fiji, so everybody, all students in all the schools can have the same level of access to information. Let me put this on now. We've also, by the way, got how many people play rugby? Very good. Maybe the girls can also play rugby too. To teach them. So, no? Okay, we can teach them. So, the reason why I'm giving Walesi is giving the rugby ball is for your school, so you can use to play with it, sorry. Because sports obviously is very important to us as a nation. And we just sponsored the Drua team. How many of you have seen the Drua team? Okay, very good. The Drua women's team is doing really well, as you know. And the men's, of course, is not doing so well, but hopefully they'll do a lot better next year. This is part and parcel of what we're doing. Okay, so let me turn it on. I'll show you what you can get on Walesi. FPC. That's PG1. That channel. Then you have FPC Sports. Then you have My TV. Another PG1 channel. Then you have FPC2. Then you have the Parliament channel. Then you have the Religious channel. The Education channel here. See? The Maths, that's the Maths channel there. So that's what you get through Walesi. And that's good for you and for your teachers to use, and you can get information yourself. Thank you.